Welcome to another full flight video, guys. We're gonna take Southwest Airlines from Tampa all the way to Dallas Love Field. And we're the train.
Please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly at all times.
Alright, heading to gate C31. So, I'm excited to see how it will do. We are going to Dallas Love Field. Boarding time. Good morning. Thanks so much. Welcome. All I want is a window. No class. Never been on Southwest before. This is 737 MAX 8, so we'll see what happens. We did not get a window. Psych! We got the window right here. Nice. Check that out. We got the big engine right in front, so that's awesome.
Once again,
all right, guys, we are ready.
Together towards the back. Other than that, don't worry about seats together. The front and the back are going to get there roughly the same time. Just find an open seat, take it, we'll get you on your way.
Yep, this is no class, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's have a look here. This is my first time. Yo, they have a charging outlet. That's actually really good.
Cornell. Is there anybody Cornell?
That USB-C. There we go. We have a tray table here, guys.
Welcome aboard.
And acceptable, and a cup roof. And there's a nice seat back strap. And legroom is really good, honestly. There's the seat belt and strap. And just a tiny armrest, but who cares about that? No worries. There's the overhead, air conditioning, reading lights, all the good stuff. So I'm excited. I like Southwest. Awesome.
If you're using a portable charger or a power bank to charge your electronic
Yep, this is a MAX 8. I was right. Awesome. So we'll talk when it's departure pushback. Pushback.
4 life rooms, 2 is a forward overhead compartment, 2 at mid overhead compartment. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Only remove the life vest until to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container. Remove the pouches shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist.
Engine startup number 1.
Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest to manually inflate blows to the tube at your shoulder. The vest has a plate that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by to make sure your seat backs and tray table are in the full upright and locked position. All your carry-on items are completely stowed until you can see in front of you, leaving the area around your feet cleared, and your seatbelt is fastened. Smoking is not allowed on board or in the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering or disabling or distracting a smoking detector in the aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume meal and alcohol that you brought with you on this flight, and the use of charging of electronic cigarettes is not allowed. Federal aviation regulation requires passenger compliance with the posted placards, lighted information signs, and any crew member instructions, including instructions on seatbelts and smoking.
Off to Dallas. liftoff. Take off. Liftoff. See you later, Tampa. You get the gorgeous view of the old Tampa Bay. There's a big storm right in front of us. Look at that. Wow. Oh, well, it is a pretty big storm. Go. We're about to go into the storm. got a beautiful view of the storm too. We just evaded a very bad storm, guys. And a beautiful rainbow too. Wow. God is good. What a beautiful rainbow. Look at that storm. That's beautiful. Wow. That's awesome. That storm's pretty big. flying over Tallahassee. Here's the International Airport. International Airport. There it is, downtown Tallahassee. There it is. Mississippi River. Approaching Dallas-Fort Worth area. That right there is Dallas. That is Dallas-Fort Worth International. We have 2 control towers, but we're not going there. We are going instead to Dallas Love Field, which is a little more closer to the city. I think we're landing now. Landing. Dallas Love Field. Touchdown. Welcome, Dallas Love Field. close to downtown Dallas.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Dallas. Please remain seated with all your carry-on items stowed where they are. When the captain turns off the seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted and they can fall out. You may now use the cellular functions on your small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated and leave your carry-on stowed. If you're connected,
We're taxiing rather quickly. Here we are. I think we are at gate 4. I like the cabinets here. This is nice.
so can you ring the call light above your head if you're in the back and you need a chair? Calling one, wheelchair, ring the call light.
Have a great day. Alright, we have arrived in Dallas Love Field. That was pretty good. Just the only bad thing about it is that my ears are getting clogged all the time, but that's pretty normal in planes. Happens in everything. Nothing they can do about it. Just my ears clogged a lot though. But the flight was nice, and they were able to take off really soon. And I got to get my window seat, so that's pretty much all that mattered. And they got free snacks, like 2 bags of chips. So that was nice. Yeah, the legroom was good, so I'd give it around like a 7.5 out of 10. You know, that's what I would do. Where's our plane? There we go. Alright, well, see you when you get back home.